taking me home. For one thing, really do want.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're here for the first time, hi, my name is Chantel. I am a YouTuber based in Nigeria. If you like what you see already, please do well to subscribe now by clicking on that red subscribe button and the bell icon that shows up after. Okay, thank you. It's an Easter Sunday today, and I decided to do something special for myself, being this keto salad. Guys, I'm not about to add any weight during this lockdown period, so I'm trying to eat more of healthy food than the regular carbs and all. So first off, I prepare my salad by washing the vegetables using vinegar in water. The water I'm using here is just the regular tap water, and I put it in this basin. Add a bit of vinegar and start with my vegetables. The first one I'm starting with is the lettuce, and I just like to remove the leaves from the stem to get rid of any sand or hidden insect or whatever is living inside the lettuce. On this day I saw a caterpillar inside the stem, so that's why I don't like to miss this process. Many people just wash off the stem, like rinse it in water, but I like to pull off the leaves from it to make everything easy and I can really wash it properly. I like to pour the water when I'm done and repeat same process just to get rid of any sand or whatever is living inside the lettuce, like I said, because we never know where these things have been. Once I'm done, I just pick them all up and drain out the excess water. Next is my purple cabbage, and I love this so much in my salads. Like, I cannot make a salad without purple cabbage. That's how much I love it. And you guys, it's really pricey in this part of the world. For this small bulb, I think I paid 450 naira for just this small one. And yeah, I'm just removing the back, the weak surface, putting a bit of vinegar and rinsing that out as well. When I'm done, I repeat the process under running water. Next is tomato, and I just wash it. Same process, guys, same thing. So I have my bell peppers. Here I have the yellow, the green, and the red bell peppers. They add a lot of colors to your vegetables, to your salad actually, and I can't do a salad without my peppers. It looks so pretty. Next is my cucumber rather. I always make this mistake, cucumber. I have one medium-sized cucumber, and I just like to wash it under running water and in the water that has the mix of vinegar. Next is the cabbage, and this is the green cabbage, although this one came looking a bit white, but they are all categorized under the green cabbage family, if there's anything like that. Like I did with the purple one, I like to take out the back, the sides that don't look good again, that look withered, and just rinse it off. You can see I'm putting my vinegar, and I'll just put it in the basin and rinse off thoroughly. Once that is done, next I will be washing my avocado pear. This is the butter avocado. I bought 3 of these for 1,000 naira. It doesn't come cheap either, but it's really good and it's so tasty. Next are my eggs. I'm going to just rinse them off and put them in a pot to boil. Later on I will go back to it and put it in the salad. Yeah. Egg is on fire. Next we are going into preparation proper, and what I like to do with my lettuce is just clean it up with a cloth napkin to get rid of any excess water, because I do not like the fact that after doing your salad you see water under the bowl. It makes the salad not to last long as it's supposed to, and the water underneath just grosses me out. Basically, I don't like it. So, and you guys know that lettuce retains a lot of water, so I just like to dab that off with the cloth napkin. Here I am using my chopping board and my sharp knife to just chop the lettuce. There's no serious chopping process to this. I just chop it off once and throw inside my bowl. Some people like to use their hand for this. It's all good, it's fine so far as you can get everything that you want. Next is my purple cabbage, and I am doing the same thing. I'm chopping it a bit smaller just to add different textures to it. As we go on, you'll see what I mean. I'm going to be cutting up my tomatoes, and as you can see, this is in a bigger size. Like I said earlier, I like different textures to my salad. I don't like one size of vegetable. I just like everything being different, and it just adds a bit of texture and more makes it more attractive basically. Still sticking to that same size, I'm going to cut off my peppers. The salad is already starting to take shape. It looks so beautiful. When I cut my peppers, I remove the seeds inside before cutting it into bits. Don't think I can be on keto 100%. I don't even think I want to try it, but every once in a while I just like to take keto food and just balance out my what's the word, my meal plan basically. Has anyone ever tried keto 100%? Please let me know down below. And do you think it's something I can do? Also let me know. If I see a simpler plan for it, I think I'll jump on it. But till then, no bueno. As you can see, I'm cutting up my cucumber, and I don't like the back of cucumber in my salad because it gives that bitter taste to it. So I just take off the back and cut them into square shapes. Is it square or I don't know, some shape as half moon shape. Yeah, half moon. My salad looks so colorful and beautiful already. Won't you want to try this? Moving on to my cabbage, I just took a bit and I'm going to be chopping that up as well. Same process applies to my avocado pear. I cut these in a smaller square shape, and this is why it's called butter avocado. You saw that the seed just came out without sticking to the pear itself, and everything looks really colorful and very vibrant. That's why it's called butter avocado. The other ones stick in some sort of way. I don't know if you've seen both, but if you can tell, please let me know in the comment section. My eggs are ready and I just cracked them open, and I'm going to be cutting them up as well and putting it into the salad mix. At this point I was already salivating. I really wanted to just have a taste of this salad. You guys, I noticed that my bowl was full and I needed a bigger bowl, so I turned everything into a bigger bowl so it'll be easier to mix. And yeah, as you can see, it looks better now. I decided to cut up the remaining purple cabbage and tomatoes and cucumber and peppers just to make it more vibrant, and I'm mixing everything in right now. Our salad is almost ready. Almost. It looks so good. Give this video a thumbs up if you think this salad looks really nice. Next I'll be adding some fruits, and this is a mix of almonds and a bunch of things. You guys will see it on the screen very soon. Yeah, it has cranberries, chickpeas, walnuts. It's a mix of cranberry, chickpeas and walnut, and I also added some dried almonds to it. Mix, mix, mix. Make sure everything is properly mixed in. I decided to take a taste, to have a taste actually. With my salad, and in my house we don't mix salad and keep, so everybody just takes as you want, and then you can put your preferred dressing on top of it, which is what I'm going to be doing in a moment. So yeah, this is my plate and see how it looks. For my dressing I used a mix of ranch, this is the steakhouse ranch, and honey mustard light, which is perfect for keto as well. When I'm done the remaining salad, I just like to cover it up with thin film to prevent flies or anything from getting inside. Once that is done, I take it to the fridge and just store. Did you enjoy watching this video? Please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thank you so much for watching today. If you like more of these videos, also let me know. I love you guys. See you in my next one. Bye.